పెళ్లి ఫిక్స్ అయిందా? తెలుగు మ్యాట్రిమోనీకి థాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి.
పెళ్ళంటేనే తెలుగు మ్యాట్రిమోనీనే. 26 సంవత్సరాల నమ్మకం, లక్షలాది సంతోషకరమైన వివాహాలు. తెలుగు మ్యాట్రిమోనీని డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి.
Speaker sir, what has happened? There is a partnership and then there is a hidden power. Massive, extremely strong, but completely hidden. Okay? And that power, that force that does not show itself but is there, knows the entire history of the magician. It knows every single detail about the magician from when he first came into politics till when he arrived as Prime Minister. And it is using that information.
No.
It is using the information to shape.
No. No. देखिए मैं आपको फिर कह रहा हूँ राहुल गांधी जी,
क्या बोल रहा हूँ सर?
आप नो नहीं, वेणुगोपाल जी ये उचित नहीं है.
Don't disturb us, sir. Let them reply, sir. Home Minister is going to reply.
मैं आपको बताऊं, होम मिनिस्टर साहब भी बोलते हैं, विधेयक पे बोलते हैं, जो भी बोलता है विधेयक पे बोलता है. आप भी बोले हमने किसी को टोका नहीं, प्रियंका जी बोला हमने कोई टोका किसी को, लेकिन सदन की गरिमा मर्यादा बनाने की जिम्मेदारी तो अध्यक्ष की है ना. नो विधेयक में
सर बोलने तो दीजिए सर.
बोलने दे रहा हूँ ना मैं आपको.
नहीं बोलने दे रहे सर. This action, okay, Speaker sir, I'll वो उधर जाऊंगा नहीं सर. So this action, please understand what has happened here. It is important that everyone understands. The BJP knew, they knew very clearly that this bill actually cannot be passed. They knew it. They're not stupid. They knew every opposition person would oppose it. This bill cannot be passed. This was a panic reaction. This was a panic reaction because the Prime Minister at any cost needed to send two messages. Number one, he needed to change the electoral map of India. And number two, he needed to send a message again that he is pro-women. Why he is doing that, I will leave to your imagination. But I will leave it to your imagination, but the powers that be know exactly why he is doing it. Sir, the truth is the magician has been caught. The magician of Balakot, the magician of demonetization, the magician of Sindhur has suddenly got caught. Why?
Yeah.
Because he was...
No. ये तरीका बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
होने के नाते
बिल्कुल
आप
नहीं
बोलिए, मगर नियम से बोलिए.
करूंगा मैं.
और ये
माननीय
इस देश का 140 करोड़ का
सदस्य प्लीज
चुना हुआ प्रधानमंत्री को ये अनाप शराब बात करके क्या साबित करना चाहते हैं? आज जो भाषा इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, स्पीकर साहब ने बार बार कहा कि वो बोल सकते हैं मगर नियम के तहत. ऐसा नहीं चलता है.
ऐसे तो नहीं बोल
हम
सकते.
लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि राहुल गांधी मेच्योर हो गए. अफसोस की बात है नेता प्रतिपक्ष क्या भाषा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कोई तरीका होता है. देश का प्रधानमंत्री 140 करोड़ लोगों ने मिलकर प्रधानमंत्री बनाया है. आप इस तरह से अनाप शराब बातें करते हैं, आपको शोभा नहीं देते हैं. क्या बात करते हैं? नेता प्रतिपक्ष इस तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ये कोई तरीका नहीं होता है.
పెళ్లి ఫిక్స్ అయిందా? తెలుగు మ్యాట్రిమోనీకి థాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి.
పెళ్ళంటేనే తెలుగు మ్యాట్రిమోనీనే. 26 సంవత్సరాల నమ్మకం, లక్షలాది సంతోషకరమైన వివాహాలు. తెలుగు మ్యాట్రిమోనీని డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి.